that dish. Oh, I knew it'd be nasty. Interesting neighbors here. They keep their dogs in that kennel wrapped in a tarp. And the dogs are just freaking out. They don't know what's going on. I guess it's kind of like a blinder for a horse. See, look at this campsite. Looks like it's been through the winter of our discontent. Tripping over twigs. The neighbor dog is barking. There's the dog in the cage. There she go. Free the doggy. Should get out of here. The neighbors are playing me that warning song to try to get you away. It's that 80s song, like, we can't go on, just a fly. Whoa, whoa. That's when you know you got to get out of here. Stahlman. Yeah, this is ranked as hard, this trail. I hate these trees where it's like just high enough where I don't want to go under and I don't want to go over. What up, Detroit? How you doing tonight? A lot of trilliums in bloom up here. Oh, about 1,500 feet above Detroit Lake. Oh man. Gotta make sure not to fall off this cliff. Hundreds of feet down. Whew, just looking down there kind of gives me the willies. Very steep drop. All bundled up here, ready to take the 2.5-ish mile trip back. This has been an amazing experience. I just was not expecting to witness such majesty. There's Detroit down there. The lights are starting to light up. Nice to hear from me. I'll be back at my campsite. Down there. Yeah, I read like every detail about the history of old Detroit. Yeah, it was only in 1953 the town was flooded. They built the dam, and then the water started backing up, and they're like, "Oh no, the town's flooded!" And they just quickly abandoned the town. Now it's underwater. Old Detroit was named by people who came here from Detroit, Michigan. It was a hub for the Pacific Railroad construction. So the slogan for the city of Detroit is the heart of the Oregon Cascades. They released the Kraken. Oh, it's just a inflatable mattress. Along this road, there's signs every few feet that say no camping, but I drove past this one spot where, man, there was a huge pile of trash. It looked like someone had been camping there for months and just left all the trash behind. Dildo? Oh, what is that? Just trying to imagine like what's going on out here, man. No camping.